It was a dark day, and the guy in the volcano base stepped outside. He was walking. He was very happy. He walked all the day till he found out that the prisoner is there. So he took some magma and put it into his cage, and he died. Unfortunately, that wasn't only the cage that got the volcano lava. The volcano started to put lava into the base. This was very bad. Everybody was crying, except their mothers, because they like dying babies. And so came the, as you can see here, this is the heat camera. So the heat came up very quickly. He didn't like it, so he spit some acid onto the face of death. But he didn't have acid, so he throwed something. He didn't and then he realized it was gas, so he took some acid, throwed, and spit it on the floor there, down there. He was very happy now, but the heat killed him, and he was dead. Then came the other guy who lived in this place. He also was very unhappy, cause the volcano was so dangerous. It could even kill a man. So he walked. He tried to get outside, but he didn't have a way out. So he did like this. Side loop. He dug a hole down here. He jumped, spitted some acid, and died. But this wasn't the last hope. He had still one crew member left, who took it to the limit. He jumped, and he was free. And then time became fast, very, very fast. And something very, very unfortunate happened. There came acid into his pool, and he died. That was the story of this very unfortunate crew member or something. As you can see, the whole world was under attack of this volcano. The volcano didn't like it, so he died. I mean the volcano. The volcano exploded. And that is why we never use volcanoes as bases again. This is what happened. The end.